Okay, today we're going to do operations with vectors. So let's start with some vectors. I've got vector A, which is 1, 4, and vector B, which is -3, 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at what happens when we add two vectors. So we're going to work out what A plus B is. So we take vector A and we add that to vector B. And then all we're going to do is add our I components. So 1, and then we're going to add, take -3, and so we end up with a -2 I component, and then 4 plus 2 gives us a 6. So this is our vector A plus B. So remember, when we're looking at vectors, that this one would be a vector of across 1 and up 4. So that would look a little bit like that. And then this one would go across 2 and then, back 3 and then up 2. So it would look something that looks like that. And then if we add the two together, that means we would then end up moving back 2 and then up 6. We could also subtract vectors, so we could take vector A and we could subtract vector B from it. And this is the same as adding, it's just that we're going to be using our -B vector. So A is just 1, 4, and then we're going to add our -B vector, so that means we're going to have this as +3 and then -2, and then we add it in the same way we did before. So this time we get 4 and 2. So that's A, take away B. We can also do multiplying. So we could have a scalar, say 2, and we could multiply our vector A by 2. So that means we've got 2 lots of our 1, 4, which gives us 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. Or we could multiply by a negative scalar. So we could do -3 times our B vector. So we have -3 times -3, 2, which gives us 9, -6. The other thing that we could be asked to do is to find a magnitude of that multiple. So last lesson we looked at magnitudes. So you can have the magnitude of 3A, take away